In this episode, we will learn how to count in Japanese.
Learn with us at Japanese Journey ミニレッスン。
皆さん、こんにちは。このチャンネルでは、日本語の勉強をしている皆さんに、無料で日本語のレッスンを公開しています。Hi everyone, welcome to the Japanese Journey channel. In this channel, we provide free Japanese lesson for all Japanese language learners. Let's get started. We will run through 1 to 10 in Japanese. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 or 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7 or 7, 8, 8, 9, 9 or 9, 10, 10. Let's start over again. This time, I'll say it in Japanese only. 1, 2, 3, 4 or 4, 5, 6, 7 or 7, 8, 9 or 9, 10. Have you memorized most of it? Let's do a quiz to see how many did you remember. 1 2 3 4 or 4 5 6 7 or 7 8 9 or 9 10. Awesome! How many did you get it? If you miss some of the numbers, you can always rewind back and start again. Let's learn how to count after 10. 11 in Japanese is 11. Let's break it down. 11 is equal to 10 plus 1, 10 plus 1. So, 11 is 11. Same for 12. 12 is 10 plus 2. In Japanese, 10 plus 2. So 12 is 12. Now, do you know how to read 13? 13 is 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3. So, 13 is 13. Alright, let's look 14 to 19. 14 or 14, 15, 16, 17 or 17, 18, 19 or 19. And finally, 20 is made up of two factors of 10. So, 2 and 10. Therefore, 20 is 20. This is the same for counting the rest of the tens. Let's go through them. 30, 40 or 40, 50, 60, 70 or 70, 80 90 or 90 Congratulations! Now you have learned how to count from 1 to 99. Let's practice what you have learned. 23 41 57 86 92 Awesome! Are you ready for more? Let's count from 100 onwards. 100 in Japanese is 100. 1,000 is 1000 or 1000. And 10,000 is 1,000. Let's learn how to count the hundreds. Some of the numbers is pronounced slightly differently from the usual structure. In those cases, we highlighted them in red. Let's get started. 100 200 300 400 500 600 700 800 900 1000 Awesome! Let's practice counting! クイズ136 389 422 617 801 We will touch on digits in the thousands. Again, some of the numbers is pronounced slightly differently from the usual structure. In those cases, we highlighted them in red. 1000 or 1000 2000 3000 4000 5000 6000 7000 8000 9000 10000 Great! Let's practice counting now! クイズ1529 3064 4612 8108 9370 Thank you for watching until here. Finally, in this section, we will go through some bigger numbers. 1,000,000 2,000,000 3,000,000 4,000,000 5,000,000 6,000,000 7,000,000 8,000,000 9,000,000 10,000,000クイズ1354 38,609 65,239 83,106 10,825 Congratulations! You have learned how to count in Japanese. If you like more practice, check out our Numbers in Japanese practice drill video that I've linked it in the top right corner. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you like to learn more Japanese, check out our lesson playlist or mini lesson playlist. See you again! Happy learning!